Buying coffee in a coffee shop every day can really hit your wallet, but with a few investments on the front end, I'll show you how you can be making world-class, amazing, flavorful pour-over coffee at home. To do this, you'll need coffee beans, preferably whole bean as they are the freshest and contain the most flavor, a grinder if they are whole bean, a kettle, preferably a gooseneck as this gives you the most control when pouring, and a Chemex system or other sort of pour over system, but a Chemex is what most coffee shops use, and Chemex filters. The first step is to heat up the water, so let's go over to the stovetop. So ideally you want to bring it up to between 195 and 205 degrees, just inside those red lines. That will get it hot enough that you have piping hot coffee without scalding it and taking out the flavor. So while that's coming up to a boil, we're going to grind our coffee beans. A coarse grind is okay, it doesn't need to be too fine. With the water up to temperature and the coffee ground, we're going to want to take our filter, put it into the Chemex, and if it looks dirty, it's not, it's just very, very coffee stained. We're going to want to pour water into it with no coffee in, that way this gets any paper flavor out of the filter. The next step is to put a layer of water that covers all the coffee beans. This is so we get equal extraction and no beans get burnt, ruining the entire coffee. And our next step, after all that water has passed through, we're going to want to make a circular motion around the coffee. This is why something like a gooseneck kettle is useful. And after we have gone around so many times, we're going to pick one spot and use that to whirlpool all of the grinds. All that's left for you to do is discard this, pour yourself a cup, and enjoy, which I'm not going to do because it's 11 p.m.